Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Bluetooth car kits in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Bluetooth car kits to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Display Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Yasokro. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 130 grams. Item size, 75 mmx 90 mmx 101mm. Model name, YST43. Special features, dual USB car charger. Certification, CE Row HS. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is, Bluetooth 5.0 Adapter Car Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Thanku. Wireless type, Bluetooth. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. As item number 3 we've selected, OneMe VO7 Pro Plus Bluetooth Receiver. Specifications. Brand name, OneMe. Model number, VO7 Pro Plus. Wireless type, Bluetooth. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm. Certification, CE, FCC, Row HS. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is, Bluetooth 5.3 FM/O Bluetooth Car Adapter. Specifications. Brand name, Joyroom. Model number, Junior CL06. Wireless type, Bluetooth, FM. Interface, 3.5mm, USB, Type-C. Color, black. Material, PC fireproof material. Input, DC 12 to 24 volts. Total output, 30 watts. Net weight, 94 grams. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Joyroom. Model number, Junior CL17. Wireless type, Bluetooth, FM. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm, USB, Type-C. Color, black. Material, PC fireproof material. Product input, DC 12 to 24 volts.